Hey guys and gals, Sweet Crown Vics and Grand Marquis here. Now you've got a door handle, springs broke in it. You can buy one of these, but the problem is that it's the wrong color when you get it. So I'm going to share with you how to fix it. All the tools, all the parts, everything you need will be in the show more of the video description.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
First, what you want to do is drill this rivet out. And what happens when you're drilling this out, we got a good dent in it, is it spins in here. So this piece is spinning. This is the other side of it. You can't drill that. If you have a die grinder, you can die grind that off there. All right, now grab yourself a pair of needle nose or a pair of needle nose vice grips. Reach inside here, grab that shaft that's running through, clamp onto it real tight. Now you can take your center punch, put it right there, and then you get it up so it's high enough. Take your panel tool, go underneath it, pry it up. There you go. But here's the spring. This is why it's not working. She's El Broco. All right, we've got our new door handle. And this is a lot of work, so you can have your original door handle on there. Yes, you can go to a junkyard. The problem is you can't get the color you want most of the time. So this is really the easiest way to do it, to have them take the door panel off and they charge you for all that stuff. And you can actually, if you want, take this handle and put it in this rig. Now what I did was I took the new bracket, this piece here, and I took the pin out of the new one. Took the handle, black handle off. All you do is line the handle back up so the holes line up. Make sure this spring right here is setting in that area right there, the edge of that spring. That's where the edge of it sets. Then all you do is push down with this, your thumb, push down on the spring real hard so you can tap this in with a hammer. Once you get it into the spring here, through the hole of the spring, then it'll go right in. You just tap it the rest of the way in. Done. Look at that. Now you have the original color of your handle and your bracket. This thing goes back on like this. That's your seal. You're good to go. Put some white lithium grease in here or spray a little bit of WD-40 in there just to keep things lubed up so you don't have to monkey with it again. There you go, guys. Hope this helps.